Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, let's talk about on how we can use the Hevy Workout application. Now you can get this from the App Store or the Play Store depending on the device that you are using. Basically, right after opening the application, it will then take us to the login page. Now to make things easier, you can log in using your Google account. So I'll just simply do that real quick. Once inside the application, you then have the option to enter your own username, and basically from here, you have to set your units. So in my case, I'm using kilograms for distance, kilometers, and the body measurements is going to be centimeters. Click on OK, and in here we have the option to enable the Health Connect. Now, it's really important to enable this to make sure that you use the full features of the Hevy Workout application. From here, to get started, just click on the Start Empty Workout option. And then let's say that you've hit your chest, it will automatically start the timer on this specific workout. Let's click on Add Exercise, and let's say that the workout that we are currently doing is bench press. So let's click on Add One Exercise. In here, you can then set your previous weight, your kilograms that you're lifting, and your repetitions. Of course, you can add sets the way you want to, but after finishing with your workout, just click on the Finish button, and then you have the ability to add your photo. You have the information like duration, the volume of your lift, the sets, and the visibility. If you want to post this to public, you can then set it to everyone, or if you want to only save it for yourself, just select private. From here, of course, click on the Save button, and then it will save our workout onto our profile, sharing it with our friends and onto the Hevy Workout application. Now, this will also go ahead and record your previous lift. So if you continuously use this for a total amount of days, it will then record and it will show you statistics of your overall workouts to see whether you have improved or not. And so that's how you use the Hevy Workout application. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.